Brad King here again. Thank you for going on this neighborhood tour series with us. Right now we're in Heavenly Valley. It's a great location because you're right in between Snow Summit, Bear Mountain. You have underground utilities here. The houses are luxury. They can go anywhere from 1,800 over 4,000 square feet. You have custom logs. You have wide range of different housing here. Perfect if you want a quiet neighborhood, but close to everything. Even if you want to STR it, you're going to kill it in this location. Especially if you get a luxury cabin, you can have tons of people stay there, or you can get something closer to 2,000 and just keep it under whatever you guys want to do. So it's very close to the lake, close to the shops, the village, close to eating, whatever you guys need. This is your location. Luxury homes, close to everything, but you still have this serenity. Like, look at this. It doesn't feel like you're only a few streets away from the boulevard. Can't hear a thing. Let's go take a look. As mentioned before, this small tucked away community is nestled right below Snow Summit, offering peaceful mountain living with quick access to the slopes, the village, and the lake. Let's touch on what makes Heavenly Valley such a special place and why buyers and investors are always watching this neighborhood. First up, location. As you can see, you're just minutes from everything. Snow Summit, Bear Mountain, hiking trails, the village, the lake, you name it. You're in the center of the bustling hub of Big Bear. You get all that convenience without sacrificing peace and privacy. That's hard to find, especially up in the mountains in a community like this where there's so many STRs and things going on. I grew up just a few streets over, and we would walk our dogs after dinner and let them explore the area a little bit. It was always nice and quiet. Even though the boulevard is not far off, you can't beat being close and not hearing road noise and being surrounded by these tall, beautiful, huge trees. Next, the homes. As I touched on earlier, the neighborhood is made up of custom cabins, mountain lodges. You even have some Victorian style and Tudor homes. You have wide streets, mature trees, underground utilities. The whole area just has a really clean, upscale mountain vibe. And like I touched on before, yes, it's a high demand vacation rental zone because it's walkable to Snow Summit and close to town. Heavenly Valley properties perform well on Airbnb and VRBO. My home kills it just one street over in Summit Estates. So I know from experience the income that this area can bring to you as a rental. So it's ideal for a family getaway, retreats, even full-time or long-term second homes. Like everything that has pros, there has to be some cons. So let's discuss some of the downsides. First, inventory. There just aren't many homes in Heavenly Valley. They don't hit the market that often, and when they do, they usually go pretty quickly, especially if the house is fully updated. You only have a few on the market at any given moment. Second is price. Expect higher pricing. I would consider this a luxury area up here for sure. And third, it's just going to be really hard to get in and out of the area on very busy weekends because you're so close to everything. And it doesn't matter if it's winter or summer. The roads can be a little congested getting in and out of Heavenly Valley, especially near Snow Summit. That's just one of the cons you're going to have to give up. But even though it gets busy like that, you're still very quiet and secluded. Overall, this is one of the most desirable neighborhoods in Big Bear. Bottom line, if you're looking for location, luxury, and strong rental potential, Heavenly Valley checks all those boxes. Whether you're buying for lifestyle, investment, or a little bit of both, this one is one of the top spots in Big Bear. If you want a full walkthrough or you're curious what's coming soon in this neighborhood, drop me a message and let's chat. And please don't forget to subscribe and follow along for more Big Bear real estate insights. And if you'd like to reach out to me directly, feel free to email me at brad@bradfordkinggroup.com or send the group a text to 909-683-1502. Peace.